How to draw a football cleat. To begin drawing our football cleat, we are going to draw a diagonal line right here. Then from the top of this line, we are going to draw a small curved line going downwards. Then from the bottom of that curved line, we are going to draw a long curved line going to the right. Awesome job! Then from where we left off, we are going to draw a slightly curved line going downwards. Nice job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Next, we are going to connect this shape together by drawing a curved line across the bottom like this. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Next, we are going to draw the back of the cleat. This is going to be a curved line going downwards right here. Nice job! Now from the bottom of that curved line, we are going to draw another curved line, but this one is going to go towards the left. Then underneath this curved line, we are going to begin drawing the cleats. We will start by drawing a slightly curved line going downwards right here, and then a small square shape at the bottom of it. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Now we are going to draw another one of the cleats. For this, we are going to draw a curved line going downwards right here where we left off, and then we are going to draw another square-like shape at the bottom, making the cleat. Nice job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Now in between the two cleats that we just drew, we are going to draw another one, making the back side of the cleat. This is going to be a small line going to the left that curves upwards right here. Nice job! Now we are going to draw another line similar to this one in front of the first cleat, connecting to the curved line above. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw the midsole of our cleat. For this, we are going to draw a straight line going to the left from where we left off. Wow, learn how to draw hub crew. Our drawings are looking awesome. Next, we are going to add a line for detail near the heel of our cleat. This is going to be a curved line that will be right here. Awesome job! Now we are going to start making the cleats on the front part of our shoe. We will begin by drawing a small curved line going downwards in front of the midsole that we drew, and then we are going to have a small square shape at the bottom of that line. Then we are going to draw a small L connecting to the bottom of that line, making one of the cleats. Nice job! Now we are going to draw a smaller L connecting to the left side of that one, making one of the cleats on the other side so we can only see part of it. looks great to learn how to draw hub crew. Now we are going to draw a straight line going to the left from that. Then connecting to the left of that line, we are going to draw a small rectangular shape going downwards that does not connect at the top. Then from this, we are going to draw a slightly curved line going to the left that goes downwards, and we will make one more cleat. Awesome job, learn how to draw hub crew. Now we are going to add some of the cleats that are on the other side of the shoe here and here. For this, we are going to make two small rectangles. Great job, learn how to draw hub crew. We're all done drawing the cleats. Now we are going to continue drawing the shoe by drawing a small curved line right here going upwards. Nice job! For the next step, we are going to draw a line that will be right here. Awesome job! Next, we are going to draw a small curved line going upwards from the far left side of our cleat. Wow, learn how to draw hub crew, we're almost finished. Next, we are going to draw the shoelaces. We will start by drawing a small oval right above this curved line. Then we are going to continue drawing small ovals that will be in a triangular shape. Then the next part of our shoelace that we draw is going to be another small oval starting near the bottom of the one we just drew, going upwards towards the right. Then from this one, we are going to draw a small oval going downwards towards the right. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw 8 more small oval shapes similar to these two right here, 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 and here. Then we are going to finish drawing the upper part of our cleat by drawing small straight lines in between the shoelaces right here. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Now we are going to add a few last details. We are going to draw a small curved line right here, and then we are going to draw a couple curved lines along here, as well as a few more right here. This is how to draw a football cleat. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below, and if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in, and comment down below what you would like us to draw next. Thanks for drawing with me. See you again next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.